The purpose of this lab is to determine the relationship of position and time for a disc rolling down a ramp, and also to determine the relationship of velocity and time, and the relationship of velocity and position.
For our experiment, we started with having a disc roll down 2 pipes, and every 2 seconds we would mark its position. Then we would measure each mark that we made from where the disc started.
And then we would copy down that information. Every person in the lab has to have their own information, and then we plug it in to Logger Pro to find the answer to our purpose.
This is our position versus time graph. As you can see, it curves upwards, and it also displays our original data from our experiment. This is our velocity versus position graph. It curves slightly downward. This is our position versus time squared graph. It is the linearized version of our position versus time graph originally shown. It has a slope of 0.197. This is our velocity versus time graph. It has a slope of 0.816. This is our velocity squared versus position graph. It is the linearized version of our velocity versus position graph originally shown. It has a slope of 0.4088. And after viewing our data and the rest of our classroom's data, we could see that each graph slope doubled in size as it went up from position times time to velocity times time to velocity times position.